Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing supports and trimming flash. Do this gently so you don't gouge the part. Once done, sand seam lines with 220 grit and follow with 400 grit wet sanding to blend layers. This smooths paint adhesion. Make sure to clean the print with 90% isopropyl alcohol to remove oils and dust, then allow it to dry completely. You want a clean, slightly toothy surface, so primer will bond and show any remaining imperfections. You now prime in thin, even passes, holding the can about 15-20 cm away to avoid runs. 2 to 3 light coats with short flash times builds a uniform base. If gaps remain, apply a thin layer of filler or brush-on putty into seams, let it cure, then sand with 400 to 800 grit until smooth. Once sanded, respray a light coat of primer to inspect surface uniformity. Make sure to repeat filling and sanding only where defects persist, so you maintain detail. You apply the base coat in thin, multiple passes, acrylics dry fast and allow quick layering, while enamels give depth but need ventilation. Once base colors are set, add details with washes to pick out recesses and dry brushing to highlight edges. This creates depth and realism. Seal everything with 2 to 3 thin coats of your chosen clear, matte, or gloss, applied evenly. If you notice runs, orange peel, or texture, sand lightly with 800-1200 grit, and reapply thin coats to recover a smooth finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.